Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable USB debugging on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to do that, just open Settings, then tap on About Phone. From here, just tap on Software Information, and on this page, just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Then select OK, and after you enable developer mode on your Samsung phone, the next step is to go back. And in the main settings page, you will find the option of developer options. Just tap on it. Now on this page, you will find the option of USB debugging. And as you can see, the USB debugging option is currently grayed out. To fix this issue, just go back. Now in the main settings page, just tap on security and privacy. Now if the auto blocker option is turned on, just disable it from here and tap on turn off. And after you disable auto blocker, then go back and tap on developer options. And from here, just go back to USB debugging. And as you can see, the USB debugging option is not grayed out and it can be enabled from here. Just enable the toggle and select OK. And as you can see, we have successfully enabled USB debugging on our Samsung phone. And this is how you can enable USB debugging on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.